What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 65 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect the premium. So I'll quickly show you guys what the portfolio is doing right now, what I traded this past week. This week I have considered, since I guess it's the beginning of April, I went ahead and started this as a brand new year, and we will be selling cash secured puts, monthly cash secured puts, seeing how we collect and how much we return on our profits. But the plan here is I'm going to go over this portfolio. We'll jump over to Yahoo. I'll show you 3 stocks that I do have in this portfolio that I'm trading cash secured puts on, show you the charts, and then we'll jump into the Google Sheets so I can show you all the trades we made and how much we made for the month or the first week of the month. But you'll see that currently the portfolio is trading at $27,872.91. Right now our open profit and loss is at 113.53%. That is down. We are down about $302. Remember, this is all unrealized, and this is just because the premiums of the options have gone up most likely. Our cash balance is at $28,440.91. And then our options buying power, so that is $13,840.91. That is how much more option buying power we have left. So if we jump over here to the positions, you'll see that the first one we do have is actually one cash secured put at a strike price of $35 for TQQQ. It's actually going to expire on the 13th of May of 2022, so that's quite a bit away. That's about a month away. And then we actually collected 70 cents per the contracts, or $70, and so we will see how that one plays out. This one actually moved down to about, I could have closed at about 14% profit. That would have been 14% profit in premium, and I didn't end up doing it. Now we're down by I believe $1. So we do have plenty of time to see what that actual stock moves up or down. It's very volatile, so it'll be exciting seeing if we can close it early. The next one, guys, that we do have is WBA, so Walgreens Boots Alliance, which I actually sold one cash secured put at a strike price of $41. It's actually going to expire the 13th of May as well, so you'll see that that is about a month away. And then we collected 38 cents or $38 for the premium for selling this cash secured put. So if Walgreens Boots Alliance is below $41 by the May 13th, then I will get assigned 100 shares, which I wouldn't mind. But I'm gonna try to avoid this whole year not to try to get assigned. So if the trades go the wrong way, we will continue to roll. Eventually we will get out of them, but hopefully this one comes out to be a profitable trade as well. And then the last ones, guys, that I do have is I actually ended up selling some cash secured puts on SOXL, which is a 3x leveraged semiconductor bullish ETF. And so first one we did is I actually sold one cash secured put at a strike price of $20. It's actually going to expire on the 29th of April, so a little bit less than a month, maybe about 3 weeks away. And then we collected 40 cents or $40. As you'll see, it's actually currently down, so the premium's worth of the contract is $56, so we're down about $16. I think we should be able to close it. I think it'll be profitable in the coming weeks. That is what I love monthly cash secured puts. It's because you have plenty of time to see what the contract does. Well, I guess not the contract, but the stock itself. We could close it at a profit, but we will see. And then the last one here, guys, I ended up selling 2 cash secured puts on SOXL at a strike price of $25. It's actually going to expire the 6th of May, so that's about a month away again. And then we collected 59 cents or $59, and it's actually worth $2.03, which is about $203. So this one, when I actually sold this one, SOXL was trading around $39, and then it dropped all the way to $30. So that is why you saw the premium spike up. But we will see how these play out. So I think Most of these should be profitable, but you know, we gotta wait because they are monthly. So definitely be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification, because I will be uploading these videos every Saturday and keeping you guys updated to them. But let's go ahead and actually show you guys all the trades. I know one of my subscribers asked me to show you guys these trades, but you'll see we did start with SOXL, and then you guys can I'll just pause it here if you guys want to look at them, but it's all the way from here all the way up for the week on the profits, well, I guess trades. But let's go ahead and jump over here to actually Yahoo Finance, which is going to be the first stock I want to cover. Alright guys, so we are here at the Yahoo Finance chart. I do have SOXL pulled up. It's currently trading about $28.29, and if we look at the chart overall, you see that it's actually spiked up all the way to like $71 or so, but it's actually down. If we look at the 1 month, you'll see we'll zoom out a little bit. We do have the Bollinger Bands and the simple moving averages, so you'll see that right around here is where I actually ended up placing that cash secured put. Then the stock went down, or I guess the ETF. But you'll see the lower bound of the Bollinger Band is set at right around $26 or so. So we will see how that one of those cash secure puts that have a strike price of $25, how they play out. I think the one with $20 should be easy money for sure. And then you'll see that we are closer to the lower bound of the Bollinger Band, and we definitely have surpassed the 100-day 200-day and 300-day moving averages, and so hopefully this continues to go up afterwards. But that is SOXL. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is actually TQQQ, currently trading about $51.84. And if we look, zoom in a little bit, you'll see that TQQQ is right at the middle of the Bollinger Band, so this could go either way, down or up, but the lower bound of the band is at $39.39. Upper bound is set to be about $63 or so. And so my strike price, I think, was $35 for my TQQQ option, which is a monthly. So I think we have plenty of time for it to see what it does. If it's very volatile, I could close it out early. So we will see how that one plays out. It's very exciting. And then the last one, guys, is Walgreens Boots Alliance, which you'll see we do have the Bollinger Bands here. And you'll see that it's actually in the lower end of the Bollinger Band, because remember, Bollinger Bands have this middle one where it tries to usually go back to the middle of the Bollinger Band. So as you'll see here, it went down, it was kind of like oversold, and then it went back to the middle, and then stayed around there, and then now it's gone back down. So it should hopefully eventually revert back to the middle of the band, which is right around $46 or so. You'll see the lower bound of this is at $43 or so. Upper bound is about $49, so the stock should be trading right around the middle of the Bollinger Band. So I believe my strike price was $41, so I think we're pretty safe. We will see how that plays out. Again, if the stock's very volatile, I could potentially end up closing out early. So yeah, at a good profit, hopefully. So yeah, guys, that is the charts for Yahoo Finance. Let's jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you guys how much we made this week. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. As you'll see, we are at the dashboard. I'm going to show you how much we made. So I'm going to start this. This is the beginning of a year technically for me, especially when I'm restarting everything. So the beginning of every month of April, I will consider that to be a new year. That is like getting ready for taxes. So April 8th, and then we made a total of $279.55. A lot of these are not, we still have the trades open, or the options. So technically we haven't made the profit, but to me, I consider it, since we've already collected the premium, and the worst case that can happen is that we get assigned the shares. But if we look at the credits, we collected about $347 in credits. After fees, $346.60. So we paid about 40 cents in fees. And then debits, we actually paid back $67 or $67.05 after fees. So that's pretty good. And then we actually have nothing in gains, and then nothing invested. If we look at the weekly performance, guys, which you'll see week 96, we made $279.55, and our portfolio value is at $28,440.52. You'll see our total we've collected so far, our average per week, and then if we were to continue this roll, we should project about 14,000. I don't think that'll be feasible, especially because we're selling monthly cash secured puts and they're a lot safer. So this would probably be a lot less. And then total invested right here, and total return on investment so far is 0.60%. And then after taxes, if you were to consider that, which is a taxable account, we do need to account for taxes. If we look at the graphs real quick, I do want to show you so far monthly profits, $279.55. We will hopefully continue to see this up. And then actually real quick, I'm going to show you the monthly performance here. You'll see this is set out. This is what actually generates that chart or that graph. And then you'll see $279.55. Total return on investment so far is about almost 1%. Hopefully we can get 1% a month. That is the goal, or the minimum goal. I hope to try to get 2% a month, but as soon as we start getting much better, I hope to increase this over time. So we will see how that plays out, guys. But let's look at the credits here. So credits, you'll see that everything that's in the darker kind of color is trades that we've actually already closed out. All the other ones are basically still open. So first one is the OSXL, which you'll see that we actually placed it on April 4th. It's going to expire the 5th, well, I guess the 6th of May. It's a SOXL cash secured put, strike price of $25 and 59 cents is what we collected. This was actually 2 contracts. We collected about a total of $118, and then it's still open. And then you'll see this one, which was the TQQQ. I opened it up on the 7th of April, and I actually closed it on the same day. So 0 days we held it. It was a cash secured put, $35 strike price, and then we collected 81 cents. And then it was one of those, and I think I collected maybe like 18, almost 20% profit right away on that same day. So those are the type of trades I really like. The next one was the Walgreens Boot Alliance on the 7th of April as well. It's going to expire the 13th, as you saw, cash secured put, strike price $41, and then we collected 38 cents. And you know, we will see how this one plays out. Still open. And then the last two, guys, were the OSXL cash secured puts, the one with 20 strike price and then the other one with 35 strike price. So we will see how these play out. It's pretty awesome. If we look at the debits, you'll see this is where we paid for actually exiting the TQQQ, which I believe we collected what, like $13-14. So that was a pretty good one. If we look at gains, there was actually nothing in gains, and then current buys, nothing there as well, and then actually nothing invested. So that is actually all I have for you guys in this episode. If you like the content, be sure to drop a big thumbs up on the video. Again, be sure that you subscribe with that bell notification. I try to upload these options videos on a Saturday, so definitely look forward to those. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.